Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a seller account on eBay. The first thing you will need to do once you're on ebay.com, you can simply sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you will go up to the top left hand corner and you are going to see the option to create an account. You'll simply tap on that, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. If you are creating an eBay account for the first time, you will see two options after tapping on the icon in the top left hand corner. You will see business account and you will see personal account. Both accounts will allow you to sell on eBay. So if you plan to create a personal account, don't worry, the steps are the same and you'll still be able to sell on eBay. If you create a business account, if you are planning to use eBay for only selling stuff, you could create a business account and from there you can enter your business information. But if you're only planning to sell a few products or items now and then, eBay personal account may be best for you. Once you're signed in, all you'll need to do is simply go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to tap right where you see sell. After you have tapped on sell, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll need to do is tap on list and item. Once you have tapped on list and item, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can tell them more about what you are planning to sell. So for example, you can type in keywords like the brand, model, or other details, or you can choose from possible matches. So let's say for example, I'm planning to sell an iPhone. So I will type in iPhone right there. Let's say I'm selling an iPhone 8. So I will type in iPhone 8 unlock. Then after doing that, you can select the amount of storage. So let's say 64 gig. Then I'll simply tap on search. After I've tapped on search, I will be redirected to this page and I'm going to select Apple. After selecting Apple again, from here, you can select the carrier if you want, and you can also select I'll select it. So let me go back. I'm going to select iPhone 8. So let me go back right here. Then you will see 8. I'll simply tap on 8 plus. After doing that, you are going to see carrier. So I'm going to tap on unlock. Then you'll see the storage. Then from there, you can select the color. Then you'll select the condition. So let me select the condition. It's used. After you have done that, you'll see whether it is in excellent condition, good or poor. I'll simply tap on good. Does the phone come with headphones, charger and cable, or no accessory? I'll simply tap on no accessories. Then after you have done that, you'll see continue to list right here. You could tap on that. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page on which you can continue editing your listing. So you can see right here. So we're going to scroll down, and from here you can see the title and you can see that it is a good length. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see that based on the questions that we have answered, you can see that it has filled out the item specifications. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and from here you'll be able to add photos. So you can either tap on add photos from your computer, or you can add it from a mobile device. You can also see stock photos right here. So you can see stock photos that you can use. And if you were selling a shoe or so on, you could add numerous photos from different angles. As you can see right here, you can add up to 24 photos. After you have added the images, all you'll have to do is scroll down, and from here you're going to complete the description. As you can see, it has a basic description now. Then after doing that, you're going to scroll down and you will see the pricing. So you can see that the average pricing would normally start at $70. If you would like to change that, all you have to do is tap on change. Then from there, let's say I would like the bargain or the bidding to start at $80. I could simply type in 80 right there, then tap on more options. After you have tapped on more options, you are going to see a drop down. and you will see buyers interested in your item can make you offers. You can accept, counter, or decline. Enter the minimum price you'll consider. So let's say, for example, the minimum price that I would consider would be $60. Then you can schedule when you'd like the listing to start by tapping right here. Or if you like an auction reserve price, you can tap right there. You can also select the duration of the auction. So let's say I don't want it to last for 7 days. Instead, I want it to go for 3 days. I'll simply tap on 3. Then you can scroll down, and would you like to allow the buy it now option, meaning that once someone bids the price that you want, you could simply toggle this on. So once they bid the price that you want, they'll simply get it. So let's say, for example, my buy it now price would be $90. Then you'll simply scroll down, and from here you'll see the shipping. So you can see recommendation would normally be UPS. So I leave that as is, and the buyer pays $7.60 to $8.55. Then you'll see ship your item. From here you can enter the package weight. So I could enter the package weight right there, and then you can see, so let me say it is 1 pound. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. Then from there you can see if you would like to offer local pickup, you can do that also. Then scrolling down, you will see the listing preferences. So for example, you can see handling time would be 3 business days, meaning that within 3 business days you'll ship off the item. You can also see the returns accepted. If you like to accept returns, you can do that. If you don't want to accept returns, you can simply tap on change in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can change the handling time if you want. You can change the country and region if you want right there. And again, if you would like to accept returns, you can simply tap on the box right here if you would like to do that. Then you'll tap on save. And that's basically it. Once you have filled out all of this information, you're going to scroll down, and then from here you could tap on preview, and you can see how your listing will look. So you can see how the listing looks at the moment. This is it. You can see it right there. This is how it will look. Once it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on list it right here. After you have tapped on list it, you will be redirected to a new page, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.